Hello! Welcome to my very first unboxing video. I bought a watch online. It is the Guanqin GQ008815 sapphire mirror men genuine leather mechanical watch. Yes, I know it's a very long designation. Anyway, this is it. Oh, before that, I guess we will have to do a wristwatch check. I am wearing my Citizen NY0040 on a Bond NATO strap. Yep, I really like this watch. It is my first and only diver's watch. Anyway, back to the packaging. Yes, it's in a bubble wrap lined pouch, and I already opened the pouch. Anyway, oh, right, there it is. That is the box. It says Guanqin. Oops, sorry for the glare, folks. There we go. Guanqin. It has it says white, made in China. It's got a barcode. Let's see. Oh, okay. There's a sleeve. Here's the box. It's glossy, black. It's got alligator skin pattern on it. I'm pretty sure that's not real. So let's open the box, and there we have it. That has foam underneath. So, oh man, the glare. I apologize for the glare, folks. I have no proper lighting. I am in my kitchen. Anyway, first up we have an international guarantee, and it says GQ from 1989. Okay, date. I'm pretty sure this is useless where I'm from. Then we have the manual. Oh, it says details of international warranty. I'm pretty sure no one reads this. It's got some instructions for what looks to be like a chronograph, but I'm pretty sure the watch I bought was not, or is not, a chronograph. They have some interesting designs here. Anyway, the model number for the watch is GQ008815. Anyway, it's got a polishing cloth, or a cleaning cloth, maybe, I suppose. Yes. Okay. And there it is, the watch. Of course, it's not working. It's not running. There it is in all its glory. It says Guanqin 18 something. I think it's 1868. And it says legend. Let's see if the camera can focus. It won't focus. There. It says Legend Automatic. It's got a brown, I'm pretty sure that's fake leather. It's got a signed buckle right there. G with the wings. Reminds me of the logo of Longines. Not that I've held one, but there we go. At the back it says genuine leather. It's says 19, that's probably the lug width, and it's stamped with the name Guanqin and their logo. At the back we have an exhibition case back. Let's see if we can focus. No, it doesn't want to. There we go. I hope you can see that. It has a beautifully engraved rotor. It has the logo. It says Guanqin and 21 jewels. Let's see if we can read that. 21 jewels design. So it's got some markings. We have ST Steel, Guanqin, Watchco, WR 3 bar. I'm pretty sure that means water resistant 3 bar, so that's 3 atmospheres. Some letters. That's probably the serial number right there, and it says 8200. Now on the ad, it's supposed to have an 8200 movement, but this doesn't look like one. Not that I know of. It's probably not an 8200 but a Guanqin movement. It's got a snap-on case back as opposed to a screw-in type. And there's the crown. It has a G on it. And there's this blue thing. I don't know if that can be removed, but okay. White dial, silver hands. Oh, it's moving now. What do you know? Of course, it's automatic. I probably wound it up a bit. So the case is supposed to be stainless steel, a flat sapphire according to the ad. This is supposed to be a sapphire crystal, and it's pretty nice. So it's supposed to have a quick set date and time, so let's try. Oh, and it's supposed to manual wind. Let's see. Manual wind. Yes, it does. It does. It actually feels good to wind up. Okay, so let's try if we can pull it at the first position. Okay, that's supposed to. Okay, counterclockwise on the first position sets the date. I'm pretty sure counterclockwise on the second position sets the time. Oh, it hacks. Check it out. The second hand stop. Yep, it says Guanqin 1868. Of course, it's not from 1868. Who are they kidding? But it doesn't look half bad. It hacks, hand winds apparently. Let's see if it really hacks. Yes, it hacks. Let's try that again. Pull the crown at the second. Whoa! Wow. This is the first watch I have that hacks. Cool. Hand winds, hacks, sapphire crystal. What more do you want? Anyway, the indices are printed. The dial has a waffle-like pattern. I'm not sure what they really call that. The hands, I don't know what those hands are called. They look like elongated spades to me, and a needle-like seconds hand. It has a minute track. Pretty useful, I guess. The sides have a brushed finish. They're brushed that way. Other parts are high polish. I guess you could say high polish. Oh, I still have the film on it. I don't want to remove it yet, so Okay, the leather strap is quite ugly if you ask me. I prefer a plain leather strap. Black would have been fine, but brown goes well with white dials, but it's just not cutting it for me. The price, yes, I got this for 2,300 pesos. That's equivalent to 44 US dollars for you there in the United States. Watch is not so bad. Like, kind of like it. Hand winds. It hacks. Quick set date. It's a dress watch for all intents and purposes, with 3 atmospheres of water resistance. And there you have the rotor. It's nicely designed. It's gold, which is ironic. A silver one would have been fine, but it's a nice touch. Okay, dimensions. The site I bought it from didn't mention the dimensions, so I have a cheap ass caliper. Please don't laugh. Got this from the local bookstore. So we'll see the dimensions. The diameter's 39. Thickness of about 12 millimeters. The lug tip to lug tip, let's see if I can get that. Oh, okay, let's go this way. It's 48. And the lug width, of course, it's 19, as expected. 19 millimeter lug width, which would give you a hard time finding straps and bracelets that would fit this watch. Oh gosh, thank you Guanqin for making it hard for us to find replacement straps. So anyway, overall I like it. Let's try to set the time. It is now 7:33. Okay, let's try setting the time. Second. Oh yeah, the hacking. Okay, let's see if we're supposed to go around once to see. Okay, that's midnight, so it's evening now, so we have to go around one more time and then go to, okay, let's leave it there and we'll set the date first. Oh, there goes the seconds hand. That didn't go well. Oh, something went wrong. It's supposed to set the date. First pull, didn't work. Second pull, still setting the time. There we go. Quick set date. Something's not right with the gears inside. Anyway, the date is the 23rd. So let's set that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh gosh, I'm counting like a kid. Anyway, 23. So we will now set the correct time. It's now 7:34. Oh yeah, hacking. 7:34, maybe a little bit. Okay. Okay, so we'll hand wind it a bit to give it a little bit of power. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, time has been set. It's Put it back down. I'll try to put it on my wrist. I'll just remove my other watch. Okay. The movement is supposed to be an 8200 like this one, but I don't think it is. It looks to be a Guanqin movement. So anyway, let's try. I'm gonna do this off camera, folks. I'm gonna put it on my wrist for the first time. The leather is a bit stiff. Okay, we're gonna try to stretch it out. Okay, I think that's okay. I think we can do with that. Okay, so I didn't put it on the retaining straps yet because damn, it's so stiff. So anyway, there it is on my 6 1/4 inch wrist. It's the I think the lug width, I mean the lug tip to lug tip, kind big for my wrist, but since it's a dress watch, I think we can get away with it. It's not a sporty watch or anything. There we go. Oops, sorry for the glare, folks. Let's see if the camera will focus. There we go. Okay, so that is the Guanqin GQ something. There's the signed buckle. Okay, there we go. I hope you can see that. Doesn't want to focus. Anyway, it's probably laser etched. And it already has a scratch on it. Too bad. So anyway, 44 bucks, 2,300 pesos. You get a Guanqin movement. It's not a Miyota 8200 for. I don't think the 8200 hacks for sure. Come on, focus. It's focusing on my other watch. There we go. So you get this for 2,300 pesos. You get a watch that hacks, hand winds, has a sapphire crystal, doesn't look half bad. Of course, for that price, they went cheap on the leather straps. The buckle is not so bad. The rotor is beautiful though. Does the rotor make the watch worth it? Probably not. But the hacking and hand winding probably does. And the sapphire. I wonder why these guys can't make theirs hack at least. But I know this one, the Citizen hand winds, but does not hack. Mineral crystal, but hey, that's an ISO rated diver, so can't complain. So this is the Guanqin. It's quite difficult to memorize the designation or model number if my life depended on it. Hacks, hand winds. Let's see if we could get it to hack at the 12. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Hacking at the 12. So push the crown down and there it goes. Amazing. So there you have it, Guanqin. Let's put it back in the box. I'm not gonna wear it yet. I'm gonna do a review on this after 6 months. I would like to wear it first and see if it still works after 6 months. 6 months is my testing time, if you will. So what do you get in the box? Well, you get a box, the watch, of course, a polishing cloth, the manual that nobody ever reads, an international guarantee card that probably does not apply in this country, and the faux alligator design box with a shiny Guanqin logo. You get a sleeve. I'm not sure if you're supposed to put it back in the sleeve, but hey, well, there you have it. That's the Guanqin. The Guanqin GQ008815. There are different variants of this one. They have the gold, the black dial, white dial, and the gold case version. I'm not sure if they have other variants, but you can check out AliExpress. And for those of you who are local, you can check out Lazada. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope I could do another unboxing some other time featuring some other item I bought from online stores. Thank you for watching. Good night.